Okay, you can see now that this piece is complete and that I've got all the shadowing in, I've got all the depth, I've got all the detail. So since we last left off, obviously there were massive amount of changes. Couple things I'd like to note here. Get the right pointing tool. So you'll see that there's quite a bit of things here that are pretty rough. Let me see if I can get some better lighting real quick. That's probably a bit better. There we go. Okay, so you can see here that there's quite a bit of roughness everywhere. But for my type of carving, I tend to want my pieces to be seen from minimum 6 feet distance, and at that depth of distance when you're looking, this is going to be very expressive. So where the shadowing is concerned, it's a little lighter on the cheekbones and lower eyes, also the eyebrows, so that that face will have some contrast between the darkness of the cowl inside and the contrast with the inlay here on the axe, and different parts of the beard itself. Also the ship, it's farther away, so all these nooks and crannies will be darker. The ocean is tougher because the ocean requires that there be some contrast between, you know, the waves. So that was done that way, and the other side as well. Contrasted the band here, and the eye seems to be off slightly centered, but I think it's fine. Put my mark and sanded everything down. For the most part, this guy's done. Just on to framing now. Alright, after it's framed and completed totally, we'll start again.